Hi viewers, welcome to Rasa Vin Suvai. Today I am going to make a Manjal rice, that is Ponga Sadam. For that I have taken half cup of rice, quarter cup turo dal, turmeric powder, salt, and you need ghee or gingerly oil, around 1 teaspoon. So wash the rice and turo dal, mix well and add 2 cups of water. Add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, salt as required, and 1 or 2 teaspoon of ghee in it, and pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles. I have put everything and kept it ready. Now the water is boiling. We'll put it in the pressure cooker. The Ponga Sadam, that is the yellow rice, is ready. This is served with sambar and papad, or the karuvadam, that is kurudai, elavadam, etc. The Ponga Sadam, the Manjal rice, is ready here to serve along with sambar and the fried kurudai. This is the kurudai, that is karuvadam, and some bitter gourd fry. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.